This is Stacy, who's in charge of gathering market data in Europe and Asia.
Hola, konnichiwa.
Unfortunately, she doesn't really speak the languages.
Hola, konnichiwa.
Stacy's job involves gathering and sorting preferences of all different countries and cultures and making sense of all of it, which is a tough job, but she's doing her best.
Guten Tag, ich heiße Stacy.
When you're picking through real-time data from every time zone on the planet, help is tough to come by, which is why Stacy switched over to Pollfish. Pollfish's easy-to-use interface makes building custom global surveys simple, no matter where in the world your respondents are, which comes in handy when you need to publish that survey in multiple languages and review auto-translated results in real time from over 245 million respondents in 140 countries. And with 24/7 customer support, there's no more tackling around-the-world surveys on your own.
Hello.
And it's all thanks to Pollfish.